Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the force and acceleration. The first question is a force is option A push or pull. Option B energy. Option C speed. Option D distance. Correct answer will be A. A force is a push or pull. The formula of the force is equal to F is equal to M dot A. F dot A, where M is mass and A is the acceleration of the body, where F is the applied force on the object. The unit of the force is Newton. यूनिट का होगा न्यूटन. Now next question. The SI unit of the force is Joule, Newton, Watt, Pascal. Correct answer will be B. The SI unit of force is Newton. Joule is the unit of the work, Watt is the unit of the power, and Pascal is the unit of the pressure. So option B is correct. The SI unit of force is Newton. Question number third. The effect of force can change. Option A. Shape only, speed only, direction only, all of these. Correct answer will be all of these. A force can change shape, speed, and direction so that all of these. Option D is correct. Question number 4. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia, law of motion, law of action, law of gravity. Correct answer will be law of inertia. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Question number 5. Inertia is the property of a body to change its state, resistance change its state, increase speed, decrease mass. The correct answer will be B. Inertia is the property of a body to resist change in its state. Question number 6. The inertia of an object depends on its option A speed, option B mass, option C shape, option D volume. The correct answer will be B. Inertia of an object depends on its mass. The inertia directly proportional to the mass of object I directly proportional to mass of an object. So I1 upon I2 is equal to M1 upon M2 is equal to M1 upon M2. Question number 7. Newton's second law related force with mass and velocity, mass and acceleration, speed and distance, time and distance. So the correct answer will be B. Newton's second law related force with mass and acceleration. It means force is equal to mass into acceleration. Question number 8. The formula of force is option A F is equal to m dot V, option B F is equal to m dot A, option C F is equal to m upon V, option D F is equal to A upon m. Correct answer will be B is correct. So F is equal to ma. Question number 9. Momentum is defined as option A mass into acceleration, mass into velocity, force into time, velocity into time. Correct answer will be B mass into velocity. Momentum is the vector quantity, so P vector is equal to m dot v. So vector p is equal to m dot v, where p is the momentum, m is the mass of an object, and v is the velocity of the object. Question number 10. The SI unit of momentum is option A kilogram meter per second, option B Newton, option C Joule, option D watt. The correct answer will be A. The SI unit of the momentum is kilogram meter प्रति second. So option A is correct. Question number 11. Newton's third law states option A F is equal to ma, option B every action has an equal and opposite its reaction. So C inertia law, option D law of gravity. Correct answer will be B. So if Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and its opposite reaction. Question number 12. The rate of change of momentum is equal to option A force, option B energy, option C work, option D power. Correct answer will be A. Question number 13. A balanced force result in change in motion, no change in motion, acceleration, increase in speed. Correct answer will be B. No change in motion. 14. An unbalanced force causes no motion, change in motion, constant speed, rest only. Change in motion. Question number 15. The product of mass and velocity is called option A force, option B momentum, option C energy, option D work. Correct answer will be B. Momentum. The unit of mass is option A Newton, option B kg, option C joule, option D watt, option B kg. Question number 17. When a moving bus stops suddenly, passengers move forward due to option A friction, option B inertia, option C gravity, option D momentum. Correct answer will be B inertia. Due to inertia properties, the passengers moves forward direction. Question number 18. Action and reaction force act on same body. Option B different bodies. Option C same direction. Option D same point. Correct answer will be B different bodies. Question number 19. If mass is doubled and acceleration remains same, force will be remains same, become half, become doubles, becomes zero. Correct answer will be C. Force may be doubled because F equal to m dot A. Here mass is double, so F1 is equal to 2m into A divide by F is equal to ma. Ma cancel by ma. F1 is equal to 2f. So force will be double. Question number 20. A cricket player pulls his hand back while catching a ball to increase force, decrease force, increase speed, increase mass. The correct answer will be decrease force. So question number 20 is finished. So please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice.